Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video. Fuck yeah, head top. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day today. It is quarantine day, and I forgot. I've been in this house, bruh, for like the last week and some change, and I'm not really, I ain't gonna hold you, man, I'm not really feeling this. But it's very important that we all just continue to quarantine, that we all just continue to stay away from people. This is growing at a rapid rate, and I'm saying this in a lot of videos because I still, to this day, don't think people is giving it the actual, the urgency that it requires. Now, I understand some people gotta go out, run some errands, that's okay, cool. But I'm looking on the gram, bro, I'm still seeing people at like hookah bars and wild, and I'm like, yo, bro, like this is really, really serious. And I just look up more stories, and now Karl Anthony Towns is now public what his mom is going through with the whole respiratory infection, and she's like deteriorating before his eyes. Super sad to see, man. And I like the way I look at it, people be like, it's my time, you know what I'm saying? It's my time. I'm with that, all right? And I even understand that, but it's like, don't speed up the process, bro. Everybody's, nobody's Iron Man, we all human. I'm not about to become, you know what I'm saying, get too deep on this subject, but I do have a small platform, and with that platform, I just want to encourage you all, if you don't have to go outside, bro, don't. Look, I'm gonna tell you, look, Netflix is popping right now, okay? You got All American, what is that? What's that show called? Ozark starts new Friday. Matter of fact, when is Friday? Tomorrow? Ozark, new season of Ozark come on Friday. Look, it's a lot of stuff on Netflix, Hulu. Just relax, bro. Watch some movies, play Xbox, PlayStation, whatever you do. Just stay out the way. Anyways, guys, the reason why we came here today is to talk about the Yeezy Boost 380 Mist, okay? Now, I am not the biggest fan of this 380 silhouette. Now, the first pair of 380s to actually release was last year, November 2019, and it was the Yeezy Alien. I believe those released for the price point of $220 as well. Now, the Alien was not so bad. I mean, even right now in my size 12, they only going for like $413 on StockX. I mean, it is double what they're worth, but we all seen sneakers that cost way more. Now, I think personally, every time a new silhouette comes out, the original, the first pair, always gonna be worth the most because it's the original first pair. And of course, my phone rings. I'm gonna just put that to the side. Actually, hold up. Let me mute that real quick. It's been times where I made mistakes by not jumping the gun on certain shoes because I kind of didn't like the pictures, and that is why I try to do videos like this. And I mean, even though I'm showing pictures as well, it's like a lot of times, man, pictures don't always do the shoe justice. Anytime you see me do an early review, I'm gonna definitely try to get up very close, get some good B-roll of the shoe, because at the end of the day, that's what you guys are here for. I think videography kind of sets apart from photography because you're actually able to see up close detail with movement, hand gestures, even on feet at some times. So I think it's way more important. When I was seeing like the Aliens in pictures, it just didn't look like a shoe that I was willing to rock. It looked a little skinny, very narrow. It didn't really look that comfortable. And then when I see him on feet and I see him in hand, I get second thoughts. I'm still not big on the 380 silhouette. I honestly don't even think I'm gonna even try to pick up these 380 Mists, to be completely honest. But at the end of the day, I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about this, so I just wanted to make a video and just get some talking points on what do you guys think of this upcoming sneaker. So right now on StockX, if you look, I just did, in my size 12, I always look for my size, you can get these Mists right now for $258. Now, I'm gonna tell you why that's kind of shocking. Number one, the reason why it's kind of shocking is for a sneaker to only be up $30 over the original price point, and that's like before taxes. Before taxes is $220. After taxes in Atlanta, you're probably paying like $230. So if you're paying $258 for a shoe right now, before the shoe even come out, it can mean a few things. Now, I have not talked about this subject yet, but I have seen other people talk about this subject. The sneaker market is going down. Yesterday I was on my Instagram live, and it was so dope because I had like a bunch of people on Instagram live, and anybody who was showing love and anybody who watched the channel, I let y'all go live with me. We talked. I let y'all show me my collection or show me your collection, and I went down like the whole list. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, man, if you want to get a chance to do that, then go ahead, follow me on the gram. Since we all in the house quarantining, I'm gonna do that a lot more often. Probably like once every other night, I'm gonna go on Instagram live. I'm gonna add y'all. We can chop it up and show my subscribers and show my people that follow me on the gram, you know, what you got. And even if you want to shout out your YouTube or anything like that, you know, just follow me on the gram and we can get it going. I was talking to a guy and he asked me, should he sell his sneakers? Like, he got this, he got that, you know, he got a bunch of them, should he sell? And what I told him was, I don't think right now is the best time to sell anything because so many people are getting sent home from work. so many people are trying to figure out how they gonna pay their bills, man, because honestly, jobs are letting people go, and not all jobs are great jobs. Not all jobs are actually paying some type of incentive for people to be at home. A lot of people got to file unemployment, wait on government checks, and with that being said, when it comes to buying sneakers, if you a grown man with a family or just a grown man with responsibilities, buying sneakers is the last thing on your priority list. So I'm not surprised that the price point for sneakers is falling, because nobody is buying. You know what I'm saying? And when there's no demand, right, the price go down. So goes back to what I was saying. The Mist right now is going for $30 almost over retail, and that's before the shoe dropped. That's very uncommon, especially for a Yeezy, because Yeezy, even though it doesn't have the hype it did when they first dropped, it still carries some weight in the name of sneakers. So you can easily make a little bit more money off the Yeezy than any other name. On top of that, right, they come in a full-size family run, I believe, and I don't think that the Alien did. Now, anytime a shoe comes out in a full-size family run, I told you guys this before, I believe that it's way more easier to get, and it means it's a lot more pairs available. When you got shoes like the UNC 3s that were just like men's only, obviously it's gonna be tougher because look how many pairs are available. But once you're toddlers and you're grade school and you're like, it's a lot more available. So for my people who was looking for this shoe, yeah, you can probably still have to put some work in, because everything is online now, right? All the stores are closed down. We've talked about this, okay? Foot Locker, no. Hibbett Sports, no. Foot Action, no. You name it. They even shut down Lenox Mall here in Atlanta. At first, they just had stores inside of the mall shut down. Now the mall is shut down completely, so you can't even walk inside, which is a good thing, man. We don't need people bundled up together anyway. So with that being said, man, you have to go online, and whenever you go online, you have to fight the ops. Who is the ops? The bots. The bots are one of the most irritating, frustrating things when it comes to buying sneakers. And if you own a bot service or add a cart service, I'm not knocking your hustle, bro. I'm not telling y'all suck. I'm just saying it sucks for people who just go in there trying to get their one pair and y'all snatch up 30. But at the end of the day, it's the game, right? You can't complain about the game. It's like if you're a rookie going up against Brian, you're not going to get the foul calls he going to get. It's just a part of the game. You know what I'm saying? They might get away with a travel. It's a part of the game. When you're buying sneakers, backdooring and bots is a part of the game. It's to the point where I'm actually tired of hearing people cry about it. And this is coming from a person who don't resell. It's coming from a person who never used a bot service in his life. It's coming from a person who don't even pay resale. But it's a part of the game. Like, can we just stop complaining about it by now? Because like this has been going on for 4 years. Why are we still crying, bro? And it's not gonna stop. Why are we still crying about people using bots and people like? Yes, it's unfair. So what? Nothing's gonna change. So whenever you're trying to buy shoes online, it's very, very hard, and especially just because a lot of people aren't. How can I put this? Just because a lot of people aren't buying sneakers because of like priorities and things like that, that doesn't make up for like the one guy who gonna buy 100 pair, right? That's what I'm trying to get to you guys. So when it comes to how easy it's gonna be to cop, I don't want everybody to think, oh man, you know, just because of this pandemic, a lot of people ain't got the money to buy it. You right, but you're not taking account for that reseller who been reselling for like 2018, 2019, who probably just got 30,000 in the bank, and he planning on spending like 6,000 on 380 Mist. You know what I'm saying? So he's gonna buy a lot of shoes. So take that in consideration whenever you're going for any shoe, whether it's hyped, whether it's like, you know, something lightly. I tell people all the time, if it's something light or if it's something hyped, I go for it the same way, same amount of passion, unless I know it's just gonna be something that's gonna go straight to outlets, which you'll never see a Yeezy at an Adidas outlet. I'm sorry. Final thing is, man, I don't really have any information so far on like sizing or anything like that. I know a lot of you guys asked me a lot of questions about the sizing of the 380. I do not own a pair of 380s. I've never owned a pair, and I've never really been I never really wanted to own a pair. It's not really one of my favorite silhouettes, and I don't think it looks good on me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can just look at a shoe and be like, nah, that's not my speed. So I passed up on the Alien, and I think I'm gonna pass up on this one. I want you guys' opinion on the Yeezy 380 Alien. I want to know, are you guys looking forward to this? I mean, we have to, right? It's not really nothing else coming out that really sparks the eye. Nothing from Nike, as far as I know. We all know like the Core Purple ones is coming out very, very soon, and we got a lot of other shoes like the Fire Red 5s coming out very, very soon. But as far as this weekend, I can't think of any other shoes that's coming out that kind of can get in the way of this 380 miss. But yeah, man, that just about wraps it up, man. Make sure you comment down below. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram if you want to be a part of the live, or you just want to check out some of the videos I post. Post a lot of updates on how to cop, and I also do a lot of stuff on my story that you guys will probably want to be a part of. So whenever you get a chance, head over there and check it out. It's always linked down below. That's pretty much it for me, man. I will check up with y'all next time. It is your boy Snapper Jones, and you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but who really put in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.